These shelf dividers from Sahurdawi can really help you stay organized. The dividers themselves are coated steel and they have this little hook that makes them easy to attach to shelves. They are great quality. As you can see here, I'm trying to bend it and it's very strong. There are so many different areas in your house that you could use these dividers to help keep you organized. I use them in my closet to create some separation between the items on my top shelf. It also created a barrier at the end of my shelf that I didn't have before to stop things from falling off. But my favorite use of these was probably here in my hall closet where I have a lot of extra bathroom supplies and towels and medicine and all sorts of things that I need to keep handy. These dividers just make it so that even when other people are using this closet, my items still stay organized because it's clear where items should go. It just helps create that separation that keeps things more neat. Same goes for keeping my husband's t-shirts neatly folded. These little stacks get very messy after just a couple weeks, so these dividers are just going to help things stay a lot more organized.